Let's learn about the letter M. The letter M represents the sound. How to make the sound? To make the M sound, start by closing your lips tightly together. Then push air through your nose while keeping your mouth closed. Now say the sound You can stretch out the sound like this. Mm, mm, mm. Word example. Say the word map slowly and listen to the sound of the letter M at the beginning. Practice saying map and notice your lips feel when you make that sound. Word examples. The sound can also be heard at the end of the words like ham, yam, and gum. Voiced sound. Place your hand on your throat as you say and notice the vibration. This happens because is a voiced sound. Let's read. Moon, mag, mag, mouse, map. The letter M spells the sound. To write an uppercase M, start by making a straight line down. Next, go back to the top and make a slanted line down towards the middle, then slant up again. Finally, draw another straight line down to the bottom. Now you have an uppercase M. Down, slant down, slant down, slant up, down. To make a lowercase m, draw a straight line down, curve around and go down. Curve again, curve around again, and finish with a line down. That's how you write a lowercase m. Down, curve around, small letter M.